My name is Judayan and you're welcome to my channel. Today we will be reviewing a product which can help your production to be very seamless when it comes to communication. But meanwhile, before I go on with this, I would want you to subscribe to this channel and then help us grow as well while we bring to you detailed information about different products. I was actually working in the field one day and then something happened. I sent a member of our team to a remote, a distant place to go take a shot from there. And there they gave us only 5 minutes to do whatever it is we needed to do there and move out because of the security details there. There was something I needed him to also put into cognizance, but there was no way to reach him. He had already gone far. I pulled my mobile phone out to reach out to call him. It didn't go through because the network there was down. So this led me to go online to research what can I use to enhance communication on set. Situations whereby we go to remote places and then there's no way to talk to each other. What can we use? So eventually I went online and then I saw this walkie talkie. I was like, wow, among so many I decided to order for one, and then here it is. We'll be doing the unboxing and then I'll be giving you a review on how this works. Alright guys, let's go. Baofeng BF-888S. I actually saw this on Aliexpress. There's a manual. It's basically mostly written in English language, so you can just go through how to set it up and stuff like that. Basically, that's the manual. This is the walkie talkie. This package came. You have a pair in this box. A pair, like 2 walkie talkies. I ordered for 4, like 2 boxes like this, and then you have 2 in each box. And then yes, you may want to ask, do these 4 work together? Yes, they do. They can work together. Even if you decide to buy an additional one, it can still work. That means 5 can work all together. All you need to do is put them, switch them all to work on the same channel. It came with a belt hook, which you have to affix, and then it has these 2 dials here. One I believe is for the channels, if you want to switch channels, and then the other one for volume. Okay, so it came with an antenna. This is the antenna, so you have to fix the antenna on it. Okay, that's done. And then the battery. Here's the battery. I will have to fix the battery on it. These things are pretty simple to assemble, so it's basically okay. So the walkie talkie is all set already. This is the second one. I already have fixed the battery up. Okay, I already have fixed the battery up. So basically what I will just need to do is fix the antenna as well. Okay, so on me, babe. Now you have 2 walkie talkies right here. Let's switch them on.
Power on.
Power on.
14.
14. Okay. And this?
Power on. 16.
15 or 16. So now for this to work together, you need to make sure they are both on the same channel. Alright, so we have to change the channel now. We have to use this other button for the channel.
14.
14.
13.
13. This?
13.
Okay, 13. They are both on the same channel right now. It has a touch light which you can decide to deploy. If you can see right now, yeah. And it has an emergency touch light as well. When you press it once more, it starts blinking again, and then you press, it goes off. So I took my time to find out from the authorities, because I see that some policemen who use this kind of equipment, and then I took my time to ask if there will be any dangers, any problems with the policemen, in case the authorities, in case they see this kind of thing with you. And they said there's no issue at all. Basically, this is something construction workers use, filmmakers and stuff like that, for easy communication on set. This is push to talk. Unlike the mobile phone, where you dial, you talk. But this, you have to push to talk. And if you want to get a response from anyone, from the other person or other parties, you have to release the button. Here, push to talk. It shows red. Once I push, it shows red. All the others will show green, meaning a communication is trying to be established. Okay? So, yeah, hello, 1, 2, hello, mic check. This is resounding. Now, if I need to listen to whatever for feedback, I have to release this push to talk button and then the other party will press their own push to talk button, and then I'll be able to hear what they're saying. So it came with the charger. Basically, this is the charger. Each of them it has 2 chargers. Since there are 2 walkie-talkies, there are 2 chargers. So once you just sit it in, it shows the green light. Once you plug it in, power source, it gives you the red light, which means charging. Each of them has an earphone. You can easily use in case you want your hands to be free. Yeah, hands free. In case you want your hands to be free, just connect it to this, and then no need to touch this anymore. Just keep it somewhere else, and then you can press the button here to communicate with whoever it is you want to communicate within the team members. Yes, this can work with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as much as possible, provided they are all on the same channel. Let's assume you have your engineers, you have field operators, you have photographers, you have filmmakers, all within the same team, and you have about 10 of these. You can dedicate a channel. Say, engineers, please switch yours to channel 1. Filmmakers, switch yours to channel 10. All right. So whenever I want to talk to the engineers, and I do not want the filmmakers to know what to hear, to listen to the conversation, I switch to channel 1 and I communicate to them. If I need to talk to the filmmakers and I don't want the engineers to hear, I switch to channel 10 and talk to them. Okay. So basically, this is how the walkie-talkie works. I hope this helps. We will be going outdoors to test the range. How long? What's the distance this can cover? All right, guys. So we want to do a field test for the Baofeng walkie-talkie right now. I'm going to have to walk down there to see how far this can go. Off go. Off now.
I can still hear you.
I guess by now you should be out of sight of your camera.
Yes, you are.
Loud and clear.
Very, very much.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's almost breaking, but we are still hearing you.
Guys, so I just did a few tests on this Baofeng walkie-talkie. I did about 2 kilometers. Yeah, did about 2 kilometers at least. And the sound was perfect, clean. I think this can go way more. Tell me what you think in the comment section. The link to where I bought this will be in the description below this video. Subscribe to this channel, support this channel, so that we can keep bringing reviews like this your way. All right, thank you very much. My name is Julian again. It's like come your way next time. It's another review. Bye bye. See you guys.